Look, can we wait 3 minutes for my pop?
Oh, for fuck's sake!
No!
No!
Dude, we're waiting
No!
3 minutes
Seriously,
anyway.
no!
Okay, what about 80 seconds for raging strikes?
Oh,
That's fair, right? That's fair.
No,
there we go.
Someone fucked up.
If he gets 80 seconds, I want 90.
Get
well, I want 100
and speed up the cooldown.
There we go. I can see stuff now.
Right, all of us channel all of our Mandeville into one, and we get instant cooldowns.
I'm eating cake. Lying, it's not cake. It's actually toffee pie.
Toffee pie?
Bullshit, it's fish fingers, isn't it?
What are you having for dinner, Mike? Toffee cake?
What did you just...
Don't lie to me, I get emotional about cake.
What?
Huh?
You don't like cake?
I love cake.
Look at the state of him, of course he loves cake.
Oh.
Why'd you get emotional over it then?
Shut up, Mike.
Oh, that shield looks nice.
Thanks.
Oh, I clicked something wrong.
Okay,
Did you-
then.
Well,
Mike, just bite your tongue, yeah?
a behemoth shield.
He bit his tongue.
What a bitch.
No.
Behemoth.
Behemoth.
Did you bite your tongue, Mike?
Bottom of
What
my
did you
cheek.
do? Oh, it's the same thing.
Well, no, it is.
Oh, here we go.
Can I play in first person?
No.
Yeah.
Well, no one's stopping you.
Actually, that's true.
You can press home if you want. Alright, I'm doing it too.
I'm good.
I get such a better view of Sephirot and his gigantic, bulging testicle arms.
Those aren't testicle arms, those are hench as fuck.
Yeah, I'm
Oh,
ready,
fuck
by the way.
He's
No,
got.
Come on.
How
They
does
do
he
kind
have
of look like
two
balls.
forearm muscles?
Yeah, never mind, he does kind of look like he's got balls on his arms.
Monarchy.
But I was
He
not
has.
looking.
Ready, by the way.
Fuck's sake. Well, there goes 4 minutes on our food. Put to fucking fantastic use. Terror.
Yeah.
Whoa!
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 I DC'd, man. God damn it.
Whoa!
Whoa.
Oh. You better be grateful for that crit, Adler.
My hands are sticky.
Call me your adload.
Knees weak.
Palms are heavy.
I was eating a tangerine, you bastard.
He's eating a tangerine already. Oh god.
He's being a spaghetti.
God damn it.
DPS spaghetti.
I didn't have my Jaffa charge, so I'm gonna kill myself. I'll see you guys
Didn't
later.
have a Jaffa charge.
A Jaffa charge.
Oh my
Where
god.
the fuck are my
What, is that like a capsule where you put Jaffa cakes?
This is
I
main
ain't
clear
got
tonight.
no Jaffa charge. Right, DPS left side. There's good lad.
Yo, Sen, stand over here. Or that, you know. So.
I mean, I was doing a fucking global. My globals are more important than yours.
Oh, I keep fucking missing, holy shit.
Come on, man, baby.
See, I would have stood there, but means you'd gain
Press it.
DPS and I'd lose DPS. So
Is that how you use the F1 Savage Dummy, though?
that's how.
Oh.
Oh my cart, please,
Oh, that
please.
dummy bird.
Come
Not even
on.
a dummy burn, he still did it. Okay, ball, guys, come on.
Enter, please.
No. Here you go.
Wow,
No.
teamwork.
You run with me, I swear I'm gonna slap you shit.
Oh, Jaggerinos.
Scary. Oh shit.
He did it on purpose, I know. For more dupes.
Oh, that second win.
What was the second win? Did you jam it yet?
jump.
No one ever notices tetragrammaton.
Oh, fuck, who cares, that's why.
Because no one cares. Yeah.
Oh,
Good job,
told.
man. Good job.
Fucking sink on the
Late
burn.
Sinner J.
Sink on the burn.
So good.
Fuck him.
That's
not
why you
something
must
to be
pay.
happy with. Oh my, please.
Right, I'm not moving.
It's like you get there.
Yeah, kill it.
You want Drake, shut the fuck up.
Yeah, kill it.
Drake. Drake's my bae.
Please. Get the shit. Skip it, you fuckers.
Hot
Right.
bling.
Skip it.
That can only
We're
mean one
fucking
thing.
skipping it, man. Shit.
Better be.
You know
One
where
skip
my
is a
heart
fucking
plays.
corpse after a push to the back.
Wow,
Right, get
what's
on.
wrong with
I'm
you?
going to make a
Okay.
second cock.
Skip the mechanics.
Sorry, I said I'm going to be filling in for Rach, don't worry about it.
Oh yeah, you did. Can confirm. Was there.
That was quite good. Like, successful
Front row
for
seat.
4-time Fire 4 thing.
Oh, very good.
Oh, very good, yeah.
The DPS says
Oh,
so.
gracias, Diego.
Oh, yeah. Fuck's sake.
Arc! Oh, why am I lagging?
What?
Push your back.
No!
Can you stop whining? Fuck
Stop
sake.
lagging.
I'm
What a
not
whiny
trying.
little bitch.
God damn it, man. My
Right,
God.
bring him in. I want a bane. Let's go. Against the clock.
Is that...
Did it.
Oh, that's... I'm not actually lagging, I just don't have PC.
Mike,
Okay,
that's not cool, yo.
Wow. User in your channel.
Oh,
Oh, GG.
He's like, okay.
I'm done.
who was that? Is that Riv? No, not Riv.
Jack's like,
Oh,
no,
it was Jack.
there's too much stupidity in the field.
Thanks. He's my quickest. That was good. For fuck's sake. Fuck it.
What we should do is like when he joins back and everyone leaves.
It'll cost us this attempt, but fuck it. But fuck it. Alan, no sexy ass posing.
Okay.
Says all on battle stance.
Stop being sexy in the middle of the raid.
That can only mean one thing.
Colors. Green.
I get right.
I'll go left.
Left. Oh, I'll get right. Sorry, I like Alan more.
Oh.
Right.
Nobody likes
Green
Lalas.
moving. Green moving.
I do.
Shut up. Alan!
Yes, I need to get my eye in.
You're ironing?
Eye in.
Towers,
I need,
towers.
I need to quickly go get my ironing.
Eye.
Balls. Get ready, Orbs.
Balls.
Wasn't there a checker next?
Or shakers next year.
Healers
Still
right, DPS left.
Outside action, remember 2 DPS got a last.
Move. Oh,
What the fuck? How the
spread
fuck?
out.
Spread.
Yeah, he was friend.
What happened?
Nothing.
Oh, you got hit.
Sorry about
Tank
Thanks.
towers. Tank towers. Now after this, it's orbs again, and then move in for dance.
Yeah, just go.
Doesn't matter which side you're here.
Yeah, then move in.
Dance coming up, move in, move in. Pad stack, pad stack.
Butt crack. Another crack.
Try to. Might have worked actually.
Let's just limit break.
Or shakers again.
Right. Shake it.
Oh, I'm so slow. Holy fuck.
God, oh, save. I was
Then
close.
then spread, and then it'll be fish fingers.
Stop, Micah.
Germans.
Cheers, Jack. Sorry. Didn't get that.
Towers. Then is this one, and then
Stack up in his face.
Yeah, after
Yeah,
this,
it's
it's,
Yeah, face.
yeah, just LB when you get the crack.
Yeah, I'm not going to LB this time.
Yeah, no, you can help me.
LB.
Sweet.
stick to where this like. Okay.
I might actually die here. I'm on the wrong side.
Doesn't
Or
matter.
I'm in both sides.
Power.
We're dead. We're dead.
No, we're not.
Holy shit, we can't
I know how to
what?
make
Oh,
it.
fuck.
Fuck.
Yeah, that's the only downside is I do get animation locked to
Yeah,
the,
I could
the
not
fingers.
Get there. God
But
damn
it's a
it.
sacrifice I'm willing to make to drop a giant space rock on people.
Fish finger.
Oh, right in the rocks.
Be good. Oh, it's gonna die there.
Right.
That's it. Okay.
Okay, the thingy.
And the thing.
Yes.
Good shit.
Easy, no read.
That was fun. Let's do it again.
Fish fingers.
Oh fuck! Ah, fuck. Jack my head about that. Sorry about that.
Alright.
Okay, now it
Buffs.
just resets. Buffs again. I'm left tower. I'm left tower.
I will take right tower in that case.
Why we have only okay.
Woo! Oh my god.
I'm not like holy shit. I'm fucking this fight up so
Alright,
bad.
focus, focus.
Close again. Orbs, colors.
Is it Earthshakers after?
Earth Shakers after this.
Earthshakers after.
Yeah.
Kilo
Grab.
red.
And fish fingers.
One,
Why are we so quick? Okay.
and stay spread. Oh fuck! Ah. I'm gonna try to take aggro. Fuck yeah.
Oh shit!
Yeah, you got the first one. Yeah, you got the tank one.
Towers.
Tank towers.
Okay.
Balls, I think.
Yep. And then
I'll
moving
cast
for
a
dance.
In the face.
After this is moving for dance.
Don't accept this shit.
Win.
I'm not gonna get this
Stack,
up.
stack.
I'm gonna res after this.
Oh fuck! Really?
Check it.
Earth Shakers.
Earthshakers, yeah. Fish fingers coming up.
Spread.
Spread.
And
Spread and then
fish
fish
again.
fingers, yeah. Oh, terror. Tank
Tank towers.
towers. And then orbs. And then move in for knockback.
PLD?
Should we just focus on the boss?
Yeah,
Yeah, just LB and burning.
Okay, I'll die for this.
Just ignore everything, burn the boss.
Yeah,
One boss,
kill
one boss,
boss.
yeah.
Easy. What the fuck?
I died.
Holy shit. Easy. Kill the fucking boss, holy shit.
Yes!
Yes!
One shot!
GG, no real.
One shot.
GG,
Yeah,
Mark
one.
please.
Did we just kill it?
Yep.
Okay.
Fuck!
Yeah, get your weapon!
That limit break!
That was easy.
Yeah,
no
it's
read?
Points
really
of the
fucking easy.
Sephirot. What the fuck?
What the fuck?
We got his ball!
Hmm?
Oh,
Ooh,
wow,
Sephirot's point save.
Hey!
By the way, how did I die at the first one?
Because you're a noob.
Ooh. What did it?
Stack up for picture quick.
Can I breathe
Oh,
this?
picture. Sweet.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We can do slash victory pose.
I'm gonna breathe this.
You
I have
fucking
no
know.
victory pose.
Yeah, I'll do my victory
Yeah,
pose like this.
Yeah, I was
Just do that like that.
that
yeah.
What?
Just like slap around me and do my
Good
victory
job.
pose like that.
I'm gonna
about right.
kneel. I'm gonna kneel, and then someone take a picture, please.
I'm gonna victory pose, group pose.
Oh yeah, everyone kneel.
I'm gonna kneel.
Yeah.
Oh
Oh
my
wait,
god.
who's gonna jag me
User
in?
was moved to your
Oh,
channel.
jag
Where
me.
is
I like-
Neil? Where is it? Where
Jack,
is
please.
my Neil?
Get off him.
Oh,
Everyone kneel around him.
Yeah.
We'll take it. We'll take a screenshot.
May as well. This is perpetually my fucking rolled in raids and shit anyway, so you know.
Dead.
Just fucking kill me and sacrifice. It's cool. We get the kill every time I die anyway.
Yeah, that's usually like.
Oh, it doesn't. You don't have
I like
names on your
Mike's when he
G-post.
kneels. It looks like he's trying. He looks like he's about to offer Jay a chicken leg.
Oh yeah, I don't do anything with ninja weapons. I don't understand.
I feel like a god of getting wrecked.
Uh,
I was wondering
should
why
we
the
sync it
hell I
up?
do have hype though.
Oh.
Yeah, man, let's sync it up.
Oh. No, you just full slash G pose. One person
Yeah,
kneels.
but
and
it
then-
doesn't show names if you G-post.
Yeah, I'm taking one without. Okay, we'll sync it then so I can do it.
One question,
FF.
Adam.
So I can
Adam,
get
how's
one
that Gagger off?
screenshot.
So
No,
nearly.
you didn't.
three.
take
I
it off.
I
The,
died, so I lost it.
Yeah,
Oh, here you go.
this died and.
Oh, Elysium
Like-
just cleared A6 Savage.
There you
Yeah,
go.
I realised
kneel,
that.
kneel on the countdown.
Oh, hang on. Okay.
I don't
Have
have
the loot open as
On
well.
on pull.
This is my
Awesome.
brain. This is
Cool.
Neil.
Of course, am I going to be special and grog?
Can everyone